Hi, my name is Wies. I was one of the 20 students taking part in the Agoria Solar Team of 2021. Together we built this car behind me, the Blue Point Atlas. It's called Atlas because we took it to the Moroccan Solar Challenge, and this is a race where we covered 2,500 kilometers using only solar energy to drive the car through the foothills of the Atlas Mountains. And we managed to take home the second place trophy.
Hi, my name is Elliot. I'm one of the 20 students who designed the solar car which is standing right behind me. I was a low voltage engineer, which means that I designed most of the PCBs and low voltage modules of this car. Low voltage has the purpose of interfacing the high voltage components with each other and also giving an interface from the high voltage components to the driver of the car.
I was personally responsible for the battery pack of our solar car, and I'll be explaining how we use Traco converters throughout the high voltage systems of our car. Our solar car has three main high voltage components, namely the solar panel to create electrical energy, the battery to store this electrical energy, and then the drivetrain to convert it to movement. The battery that I mentioned, it isn't only a source of high voltage energy, but we also used a high voltage to low voltage DC-DC converter provided by Traco Power to create a steady 12 volt supply for the electronical systems that control the high voltage components.
Our solar car uses a 12 volt line to distribute the energy within the different modules. Traco Power has provided us with highly efficient and reliable DC to DC converters to convert this 12 volt line into 3.3 volt power rails for each and every of the 7 modules in the low voltage system. Apart from the DC to DC converters used in our low voltage modules, we also use these converters in the motor inverter. Working in such a high EMI environment, it's really important to have good and stable supplies. The Traco Power products provide these stable supplies throughout the whole motor inverter. We're very thankful to Traco Power for supplying us with these DC to DC converters and supporting us throughout the project.